Annyeong Chiku, so I'm back again with another Bangtan Pudo to unbox, and this time this is the Smart BTS Special Kit. So I got this from the Smart website on the day it was released. So here we go, let's unbox it. So story time, nakakatawa kasi when Kuya Courier delivered this today, tanong pa siya sa akin, sabi niya, "Ma'am, ano ba yan? Paper bag lang, 400 pesos." Natawa talaga ako, sabi ko, "Kuya, kahit siguro paper bag lang yan, I'll still buy it kasi it's only released in the Philippines and it's considered limited edition, diba?" But of course, may ano yan, may kasamang SIM card at saka 400 peso load. So parang technically, bumili ka ng load and then nakakuha ka ng ganitong freebies. So chika-chika, ganon. Yan na. So, let's see sino makukuha ko. In 3, 2, 1. Tcharan! Ah, it's Namjoon. The birthday boy. Hello, baby. Oh, ang ganda ng quality in fairness. So, inside, we have, there you go, the SIM card, 5G ready, and the 300 and 100 peso prepaid load. So, yun, diba? Ang ganda ng quality ng paper bag. It's nice. So, let's open the poster. Akala ko pa kanina walang poster. Yun, it's so pretty. Ang ganda ng color combination. So, yeah. There you go. Is the paper bag, the load, the SIM card, and the poster. So, yeah, sulit butol. Thank you, Smart.